I know, you guys have missed me. I'm back, and we're starting on day 71 of the Days of Drawing Challenge. So, get ready for another video. Oh yeah, stay tuned if you want to see a peek of my new... Alright, let's just open up this book and look at this. Oh, look at there's day 70. Wasn't she cute? Alright, today we're going to start with this little sketchy doodle. It's rough. Let's blend. And now that she's all blended, she looks a lot better. Now let's do some painting. Painting over top of the pencil. I love this part. And now for my color pencils. And they are color pencils. They are wonderful and they're my favorites. So if you want to get a link, let me know in the comments. Here is a highlighter pen. You cannot forget the highlighter because if you don't highlight, then, your picture doesn't pop. Oh, wait. What's going on here? And we're done. And if you couldn't tell, today's picture is inspired by the early 2000s of memes that we would throw around on our MySpaces and Tumblrs with the sad emo kids. So anyways, I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments if you want to see more like this. Bye!